people are just always looking for an excuse to get out.
Even because we've made a lot of money the last number of years.
Right, and also because we saw 2000 and 2007, and most people have gone through that. So what we're looking at is, even when investors say they're bullish, the slightest hint of trouble, everyone just heads for the exits. We saw that last week when we saw the IMF downgrade, concerns over interest rates, Asia, and all those factors.
Can you blame them though? Can you blame our? How long have you been doing this now with Bespoke?
Bespoke, we've been doing it for over a decade, and in other areas after.
But you remember 2000?
Oh, yeah.
So our viewers and listeners have been through two major crises and market downturns in the last 20 years. You can't blame people for being a little skittish.
Oh, you can't blame them at all. And I think that, it's a good thing. You don't want people to be complacent. You want people to have to just, be a little bit concerned when things go on, not just say, oh, everything's going to be okay. So I think, we're just constantly looking for the next bad shoe to drop. Just last week, we saw the fund manager survey from Merrill Lynch show that most negative sentiment since the crash. And the economists, even when the economy is doing great, we're seeing covers of the Economist saying, looking for the next recession.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's, maybe that's an inverse indicator. I have no idea. Help us make some money. At Bespoke Investment Group, where are you guys finding some opportunity amidst all the stuff we just talked about?
So what you want to focus on here is, and again, we're not saying to be complacent. What we're seeing this earnings season is we've been seeing companies that were reporting earnings getting sold on the news. So you don't want to step in front of an earnings report right now. Since mid-September, we've seen more than 3/4 of companies fall the day after they reported earnings. Yes, Tuesday when the market was up 2%, companies that reported earnings were up only an average of 0.5%. Yesterday, we saw strong underperformance on the part of companies reporting earnings. So you want to wait until after companies are reporting earnings to
don't buy into them. Wait till they report.
Exactly. So we want to focus on that. But the seasonals will outweigh. I think we saw an oversold market, and once we get through the midterms and we start to see earnings season get through, I think we'll see some more positive tone on the market because analysts have been lowering their forecasts as well.